Alright, so what I've got is a Platen that was recovered in 1981, but it's got the card feature on it. And we're going to convert or upgrade a typewriter I was going to sell, but I decided I'm going to keep since I got this brand new Platen for it now, to the card feature. So let's bring the typewriter over here. This one here. Let's pop a new Platen in and convert it over to this feature. So here we just got the standard old, Platen, regular all the way across, but now it's going to have a new feature. So to open this, you want to push this back and up, okay? This will show you at least how to take one out of these too. You want to put the paper bail up, and then this eraser pan turns up. This part here, it's a quick release kind of thing on these. So you push this up, releasing the Platen. Let's get this out of the way. Put that up, twist it a little bit. She comes right out, right? So this Platen here, this new one, will have this feature. These hooks come up. They're in the Platen like that. And you put a card under them like that. So you'd have it up here, right? And you put that card under it, and then you'd feed it down and through and bring it up. And then when it's up, you can type whatever you want in the card feature. Okay, so now we're going to put this Platen knob assembly over to this one, which is nothing but one screw on this one. Alright, some of these have 2 screws, but this one's only got 1. And that goes into that little divot right there. Alright, now you got a washer and the collar there yet too. Right, that's all gummy on here. Ugh. Alright, let's clean that off quick. I'm just going to spray this a little bit. This will work. Alright. Bring this over. That's gummy too. Alright, so then the washer goes on first. Okay, it's a kind of a springy washer like. And then you got the collar. Okay. And you put your Platen knob on. And you got to put the screw back in. And this should. I guess this feature, I didn't even know about it, but I'm in a typewriter collector group, and he had got a 1940s typewriter, and he had that on it, and that's the only reason I went, oh wow, that's what that is, because I thought this was some kind of something else, but then it all made sense. So now this part, we'll just go back in the typewriter. So you got the receiving end here. This collar comes off with all those numbers on it. That just comes right off if you had to take it off, but I don't. You slide this in. Okay. There we go. It's locked in. That goes down. down and snap that. Put that down. This should work. Okay, let's try the feature out. So I'm going to get a card in there right away. I got an old business card here. Feed that through. Okay, we'll hold that there. I got to plug the machine in because it's an electric. Turn it on. Okay, there's the on switch. And now we should be able to type. And I guess we got to bring this over. We should be able to type on this card. I want to straighten that up a hair yet. Okay. Okay, let's say my name. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And let's see. Card guide. Feature. Okay, there we have it. There's my name and the card guide feature. So that typed good. It works right in there. Nice little upgrade. Have a good day, everybody. Well, besides the fact that it's a brand new Platen too. I mean, talk about upgrade, right? Take care.